Today we're talking about therapeutic antibodies with the founder of the startup Vixinium, Professor Reinhard Zeidler, project leader at the Institute of Structural Biology, Molecular Targets, and Therapeutics Center.
I'm Reinhard Zeidler. I'm the scientific co-founder of Vixinium Biotechnologies.
What prompted you to start a spin-off in the biotechnology field?
We are mainly doing translational research, and it's quite difficult to do that kind of quite expensive science in the academic field. So founding a spin-off company is almost the only way to get enough money to really pursue this type of projects.
How long was the road from scientific success to the spin-off?
In fact, it took quite a while to get this spin-off founded. We are pursuing this type of research, so the generation of antibodies, for about 15 years now in my group.
To what extent did you receive support from the Center for the spin-off?
We did get support from the center, and what was extremely important for us was that we were able to rent lab space and to use the infrastructure, which are very, very expensive in our field.
You are scientific inventors, so to speak. To what extent did you have to give up your copyrights or the proceeds of the same in order to acquire enough capital?
Well, we had to give shares to our investor, of course. That's simply the way it is, but we cannot finance such a spin-off in the biotechnology sector by ourselves. So you give away shares and you get some money, but you also get knowledge, you get support, you get a network, you know a lot of people, so that's okay the way it is.
You produce therapeutic antibodies and antibodies for diagnosis. How far can your technology or the production of antibodies be extended or transferred? Or is it a one-trick pony?
So we are generating antibodies, and antibodies are a real success story in the clinic, so to say, and they can be applied very, very broadly. So not only for cancer, but also for autoimmune diseases, infectious diseases, you name it. So we are not a one-trick pony, but we have quite many possibilities ahead of us.
Germany is not exactly a leader in the field of spin-offs from science. Do you think it would have been easier in another country?
I'm quite sure that it would have been easier to set up a spin-off company in another country, so to say. According to my experience, Germany is a very over-regulated country, which makes it very, very difficult to set up such a spin-off, especially in the biotechnology sector.